Beans are part of most people's diets, but do you know how to cook them? You may think that just cooking it is enough, but that's not really true. Your grandma probably said before that it is important to soak the beans before taking them to the pot. But do you know why? This common practice, which has been scientifically proven, serves to eliminate the substances that cause flatulence. A Brazilian study found that 8 to 12 hours is the ideal amount of time for soaking beans. After this time, it is important to discard the soaking water. And this is not only for beans. All grains can benefit from soaking, like chickpeas, lentils, and soy, for example. Cool, right? Besides this old trick, there is another thing you can do when cooking beans to ensure the nutrients will be absorbed by the body. Do you know what it is? Adding bay leaves while cooking. Do you know why? Besides being very flavorful, bay leaf is a digestive herb with carminative action, prevents flatulence. This is why the bay leaf is widely used in grain-based dishes like lentils, chickpeas, and all kinds of beans. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Known in the Mediterranean for a long time, bay leaf isn't only a seasoning. Many cultures consider it to be a natural medicine. Did you know that bay leaf aids the liver in bile production, a fluid that acts in the digestion of fats and nutrient absorption, and stimulates the action of digestive enzymes? Besides, bay leaf is also a source of vitamins A and C, potassium, selenium, and antioxidants. It also acts as an anti-inflammatory since it contains eugenol, a compound found in anti-inflammatory medicines. Bay leaf also contains analgesic properties that alleviate headaches, joint pain, and period cramps. Did you know you can even make a tea with this herb? To make this tea, boil 1 cup of water with 3 bay leaves. Let it sit for 5 minutes and drink while warm. In culinary, bay leaf is a classic seasoning for beans and feijoada, a typical bean-based Brazilian dish. It also goes very well with rice dishes and improves the digestion of stews, soups, and broths, especially ones with tomato or meat, while lending an incredible aroma. Now that you know more about bay leaf, we want to know, did you know that it was important to use a bay leaf to cook legumes and grains? Do you like bay leaf? Where do you use this herb? Share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.